Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I want to tell you how to insert SIM card and microSD card. Guys, you have bought this new phone and you don't know where to put your SIM card and SD card in it. So don't worry, I will be completely guiding you in this video. So first of all, you need a SIM ejector pin to remove the SIM slot, which is provided inside your mobile box. Take it out of the box. Then you will see a hole on the side of the phone to remove the SIM slot. Now push the SIM ejector pin inside this hole. Then the SIM slot will come out slightly. If it does not come, you have to push a little harder. Pull out the slot completely by hand once it little bit out. Guys, it is a dedicated SIM slot. In this slot, you can insert two nano SIM and a microSD card simultaneously. I put the microSD card in the first slot and then put two micro SIM card in the second and third slot. Two SIM and one microSD card are successfully placed in the slot. It is very important to properly insert all card into this slot, otherwise the slot could be damaged. Once the SIM slot is ready, slowly insert into your phone. After SIM installation is done, it will take some time to catch the network signal. After that, open the phone settings. Then click on mobile network. In the network settings, you will see an interface like this in front of you. Here you can select your preferred SIM card for phone call and internet usage. If you keep the default option for calling, then a pop-up will appear every time you make a call, whether it's to SIM 1 or SIM 2. You can set direct SIM 1 or SIM 2 for phone calls. Similarly, you can also select SIM 1 or SIM 2 for internet usage. Friends, I hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative video.